Hello everyone. It's time for a desk update video, and yes, there is a lot going on here, and a lot that has changed, especially on the other side of the room, so let's go over this, because I know some of you like these desk updates. So first of all, well, not much has happened under there. I do have my iSub down there, and it's connected to the iMac G3, but that's a topic for another video. So I've got my desk here, this section, which is nice and tidy. And then in the corner, I have completely removed that corner piece that had a rounded back to it. And instead I've just shortened my desk and shoved it back into the corner. I did this for a couple reasons. One was to make a usable corner space, and also because I wanted to change some stuff over here. But we'll get to that in just one moment, so be ready. Prepare yourselves. So the iMac G3, that's over here. I'm playing with that, doing some miscellaneous dicking around with it. It's semi-permanent home. I do like this setup for it, so it's going to stay there for a while. I've moved all my... Now there's a lot going on here as well, a lot of messing around, but I've moved all my tools and stuff kind of along the perimeter, and it works alright. But, you know, this and the boards and the laptop, those all have to be moved and have something done with them. The monitor arm for my Dell monitor is now sitting over top of the server rack, which looks pretty nice. It's out of the way. I've got the Windows XP gaming rig up and ready to use. I've got, and nothing has changed really here, but in case you haven't seen it from this angle, the backup NAS, the UPS, couldn't think of the word, the regular big NAS, and then all of my network cables there. Yeah, not much to say about those, I suppose. So over here is the main thing that's changed. I have separated my two, these are 2x4 cube IKEA shelving units, and I've separated the two, moved this one over, and then stood it up, as you can very, very clearly see. And this one I just moved over to the window. The good thing about this is that everything fits perfectly. You know, I've got an inch of space between that, an inch of space at the wall, inch right there, and then 2 or 3 inches for cables and stuff over there. It's perfect. Perfect length. And on top of it, I've got the Core Duo iMac, which is acting as a host for the 3D printer. I've got the 3D printer, of course. I still have to make a couple changes, that's why it's not doing anything at the moment. But, you know, it's there and ready to go. Which, by the way, is a much more sturdy platform than the side table I was using previously. So nothing, I've kept all my cables and stuff the same. Did a little rearranging here to make it look a little better, but it's largely the same. Still got the Mac SE and my printer up on the top. So I like this. This shelf looks very nice to me. And over here I've cleaned up a little bit. This on the top is all stuff I'm getting rid of or doing something with. So all that's going to be gone at some point. For now I'm storing the PowerMac G5 over here just because I'm not using it and it looks nice over there. Underneath is extra 3D printing stuff. And yeah, the floor is clean. I even vacuumed in here for the first time in a while. And if we take a look in the closet, I put away a couple things just for the time being. I don't know how well you can see with the lighting, but I've got my server case in there that I had my PC in at one point. PowerMac 7300, extra monitor on top of that, a couple extra monitors in there. The Quicksilver is being stored temporarily, and later today I'm going to pull out the CPT, but that's hiding in here for now. The rest of the stuff, I need my tripod as well, is just packaging material for eBay, and then on the top it's just boxes, and boxes and boxes and boxes. Lots of boxes. So yeah, it's all set. I like this setup a lot more. It just looks, a little nicer. I still have some work to do. I have to put those two boards up, but yeah, I like the way it looks. I enjoy this. So yeah, there's a quick update video about the desk. I'm going to be filming a lot of videos today, actually. I promise I will actually be doing that. I might do one on this, although it doesn't seem to be working at the moment. I had something else to do. Oh, I'm going to be unboxing a couple of things, among which will be this parallel over power line adapter, which I think is extremely cool. I've also got a pocket Ethernet adapter that goes from parallel to Ethernet, so I'll be testing that as well. And in the other room I have MacWrite 2, which is a sealed inbox copy that I will be getting rid of at some point, but I'm going to unbox it first. So that is it for now. Just wanted to update you on some of the cool looking changes I've made. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for some videos that I just mentioned that will come out somewhere in the future.